In this video, I will show you how to upload a picture to LinkedIn. If this guide helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving this video a like so others can find it too. Changing your profile picture on LinkedIn can help you reach new people, and it's also a way to maybe change up your strategy and be able to get different jobs. I'm going to quickly show you how to upload a new profile picture on your LinkedIn. So the first thing we're going to do is go to linkedin.com. You're going to put in your email, your password, and you're going to log in. Once you do, this is what you're going to see on your dashboard. Go ahead and click on your profile picture. You're going to see it right here on the top right corner. Every time you see these little pen icons on LinkedIn is where you can edit your profile information. So for example, if you want to edit your cover picture, you would go ahead and click right here. The only thing that does not have a pen icon is going to be your profile picture. So it's very easy to edit it or to upload a picture. The only thing you need to do is to click on your picture. Once you click the pen, you're going to be able to edit your picture, but we want to upload it first. So to do that, simply click on add a photo and then click on upload photo. After you find your picture on your documents, go ahead and click on open. And now you're going to have the option to either zoom into the picture or out. You can also move your picture to the left or to the right, and you can make it straight or a bit crooked. You can also add a filter in case that's something that you want to do. Sometimes this can be really helpful because it can make your picture stand out. So find your filter in case you want to do that. Or you can also click on adjust and edit the brightness of your picture, the contrast, the saturation, or the vignette. Once you're happy with your picture, go ahead and click on save photo, and you can go ahead and refresh your screen. And now, as you can see, I have uploaded a new picture to LinkedIn. Hope that helps.